Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to import Google Sheets data into Looker Studio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Looker Studio. So once you have logged in into your Looker Studio, all you gotta do is simply create a new data source. After you have selected a new data source, you can simply tap on create new report. Now, once you have done this, you can simply choose the Google Sheet as connector. Once you've chosen your Google Sheet as connector, you can simply import your spreadsheet and worksheet that is simply owned by you, shared with you, or by pasting your URL of that particular Google Sheet data. Once you've selected the spreadsheet, you need to choose the specific worksheet tab as well and configure the data source options. That is completely optional. After this, simply tap on the add to report option and you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.